Congratulations to all our clients that keyed into Blossom Gardens Estate while we were still selling for 10 million naira. So this project started in August 2024, which is last month, and we started with a pre-launch price of 10 million naira, and we had this promo for just 1 month, and a whole lot of persons subscribed to this particular estate. A whole lot of clients subscribed to this particular estate. As you can see, these are documents of most of the clients, some of the clients that subscribe to Blossom Gardens Estate. And I'm so happy to announce to you guys that your property just added value. Your property just made a 20% return on investment. So for those of you that are still interested in buying Blossom Gardens Estate and you've not bought yet, we still have the chance, or you still have the chance to key into Blossom Gardens Estate at 12 million naira. Now the new price is 12 million naira, and we are going to be selling 12 million naira for just 1 month. So the whole of this center will be selling Blossom Gardens Estate for 12 million naira. All you need to do is to contact us today so we can book an inspection and take you to one of the best property currently in Enugu State, Nigeria. Now this property covers every other thing that you need to pay. So it covers your deed of assignment, it covers your power of attorney, and it covers your government allocation paper, your housing allocation paper. Now let me tell you something about the developers of this project. Now this project is being developed by Enugu Housing Development Corporation in conjunction with Governor Peter Mbah, and you all know what Governor Peter Mbah is currently doing for Enugu State, Nigeria. Now this is the first solar powered estate currently in Enugu State, Nigeria, and a whole lot of investors has picked their own plots. A whole lot of investors has come in to buy plots that they can sell. So if you are an investor that wants to key into Blossom Gardens Estate, there is still enough plots that will accommodate all of us. All you need to do is to call Josh Consult so we can book an inspection and close the deal. Don't forget, my name is Joshua Walga from Josh Consult. I'll bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. Thank you for watching. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing to our channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being consistent. I'll see you guys on the other side.